Okay, so now we will discuss about the Bootstrap buttons. Basically, we know how to add a simple button using the button tag. Bootstrap has this class btn. Okay, so let's try this one by one. I am opening the codezify.com web editor. Okay, we will first add the Bootstrap libraries inside head. Let's try this one by one. Now we have a simple button here, say login button. Now if I add the class button here, the UI of this button uh, the UI of this button is changed, right? Now we have different classes to give the color to the button, and the effects are already added, right? Simple. Similarly, we have this danger class also. We have this primary class, secondary class, dark, okay, light, and warning, right? These are the basic things which we have already seen, but for button they have given these classes. So these are the contextual classes. Okay, secondary, dark, light, button link. We will see this is a new one, button link. So it will display like a link. Okay, button warning, we have seen danger, info, success, and secondary. So these are the Bootstrap buttons. Now there is also a outline properties, outline classes. Like for example, if I write a button outline primary, right? Outline primary. So it will create the border around the button with primary color and added that effect by default, right? Now we have this danger also. Similarly we have info. Similarly we have the warning. Okay, the dark one, light, and if I add the text dark here, okay, so we have also this text dark, so it will add the text dark here. Now if I add the warning here and add the text light, it will display the text light color, right? So we have all these properties available in Bootstrap. We can use these things, right? So these are the Bootstrap outlines properties. Now we also have the button sizes here. Now for the large button we have the button large property. Like if I add a button large here, it will increase the size of the button. We have the small button, it will reduce the size of button, and by default this is a medium size. So these are the button sizes. Okay, now we have this disabled property also. If I write a disabled here, the button will get disabled. Now we can also add the color here like primary, and we will remove this for now. Okay, now the button is disabled here, right? So we have this disabled property also. If I write the disabled here, and okay, so this is about the disabled property.